The Street Vendors Union in Bengaluru has written to the Chief Minister of Karnataka seeking enhanced compensation and rehabilitation measures following the tragic wall collapse at Bowring Hospital in Shivajinagar, which resulted in deaths and serious injuries among street vendors and others. The Karnataka Pragatipara Beedi Vyaparigala Sangha, in a press release issued on May 3rd, stated that the incident occurred during heavy rainfall when several vendors and others had taken shelter near the structure. The union highlighted that the victims were already economically vulnerable and that the incident has severely impacted their lives and livelihoods. In its representation, the union has demanded that compensation for those who lost their lives to be increased from 5 lakh to 25 lakh rupees, citing the gravity of the loss and the financial condition of the victims' families. For the injured, many of whom may take months to recover and return to work, the union has sought compensation of 10 lakh rupees per person. The union has also urged the government to provide safe and viable alternative vending spaces, especially in light of safety concerns around operating near vulnerable structures. It has called for immediate consultations with vendor representatives to identify suitable locations, warning that denial of vending space directly threatens livelihoods. Additionally, the union has demanded compensation for vendors who suffered losses of goods and working capital due to the incident. Calling for accountability, it has insisted on a judicial enquiry into the wall collapse to fix responsibly. The union has further appealed to the state government and the Greater Bengaluru Authority to urgently convene a meeting with workers to address the growing impact of climate change on informal sectors, including street vendors, gig and platform workers, and Paurakarmikas. Emphasizing that street vendors are an integral part of the urban economy, the union has urged the Chief Minister to take immediate steps to ensure justice, rehabilitation, and dignity for the affected families. So viewers, who will be held accountable for the lapse? And how soon will relief reach the affected families? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.